The secret: YouTube doesn't want you to know about explosive growth. YouTube says they want everyone to grow, but they don't tell you this secret formula the top 1% use to explode overnight. Today you get it. Truth: the algorithm serves viewers, not creators. Earn clicks. Hold attention. Spark. Velocity. CTR: clarity plus curiosity. Promise one irresistible outcome. Use power words, minimal clutter, zero clickbait. If they don't click, nothing else matters. AVD: open strong. Pay off the promise in 15 seconds. Every 5 to 10 seconds, a beat. Visual change. Question. Hook. Close loops late. Tease. Deliver. Then reveal the next reason to stay. Velocity: activate day 1. Community post. Shorts funnel. Email. Embed. Collab. Heat early. And the system tests you wider. Case: CTR from 2 to 9%. AVD to 47%. First minute rock solid. Result: watch hours surged. Recommended snowball began. Momentum compounds when all three align. Do this. 1. Design the thumbnail. First. 1. Write a 15-second payoff opener. 1. Cut ruthlessly for retention. 1. Trigger day 1 traffic. Always subscribe for more and smack that like button and check the description area for the amazing help we offer.